Hello again, this is Miss Lourdes, and today we will be painting a still life. A still life painting is a painting that focuses on living or inanimate objects such as fruits, flowers, and vases, composed to look interesting or send a message to the viewer. There are very realistic still life paintings such as these. Then there are more color-blocked abstract paintings such as Catherine J. Marslav's painting of pears. Today we will attempt to create a more color-blocked still life like Marslav's, so you can see where shadows and highlights lie within the objects. Here's a finished painting and your goal for today. Let's begin. For this painting I will first be drawing the subject, so I will use a pencil and eraser. Then to paint I will be using acrylic paint and watercolor paper. First, before I start, I am going to draw a half-inch border along each side of my paper by measuring with a ruler. Then I will mask it off with the masking tape. This is so I can touch my paper without touching the paint. Now that I have it masked, I will begin drawing the outlines of the shapes of my fruit and the tabletop. I first draw my banana. Then I move on to the circular shape of my orange and the oval shapes of my tangerines. Here I'm just making them a bit darker so that you can see them better. And now I will draw a line on each fruit to show where I will divide shadow and light. I also draw the fruit's cast shadow, which is the shadow the fruit creates itself. Now to start painting. I have mixed yellow with a little bit of brown to paint the first fruit. This fruit is an orange, but it actually looks more yellow than orange from the actual fruit I was looking at. It's not a lime, I checked. I'm only painting one side of the fruit because the other side I will be painting it another color to show shadow. The banana is almost the same color as my orange, but I used a bit more brown on this one. Then I mixed a yellow orange for my tangerines, and I'm painting it the same way I did the orange and the banana. So for the shadow, I create a mixture of purple and paint the other side of each of my fruits. I then create a mixture of green and add it in between the purple and yellow as sort of a mid-tone. Here I added a little bit of yellow to the highlights of my fruit just to create a brighter highlight. I then make a mixture of yellow and white in order to make the tabletop. And for the cast shadow, I mix a little bit of blue and a little bit of white to paint that in. For one of my last steps, I'm going to outline each fruit with a dark purple blue mixture. So here I am outlining first the banana. There you have it. This is how it looks finished, but this is also when I realized that I wanted to make the purple shadows a bit lighter. So I made a new mixture of purple with a little bit of white, and I went over each of the shadows. And that's it. Maybe one thing I would have done differently is the green. I probably would have done it a bit darker because right now it looks kind of too highlighted. So maybe if I try it again, I might make those changes. Remember, not every painting is going to be a perfect 100% amazing masterpiece. But I hope you had fun today, and thanks for watching. See you next time.